Each model of PERI-STRIPS dry with VERITAS has been designed specifically for the stapler models indicated on the label. Verify that the correct model of the PERI-STRIPS dry with VERITAS has been selected. 1 tube of PSD gel is provided for every 2 pouches of PERI-STRIPS dry with VERITAS. The gel is used to create a temporary bond between the buttress and the surgical stapler jaws until the stapler is positioned and fired. Each PERI-STRIPS dry with VERITAS loading unit and each gel tube is packaged sterile in a separate pouch. PERI-STRIPS dry with VERITAS is comprised of the loading unit, pericardium buttress strips, and plastic sheath. The plastic sheath is clearly labeled: the anvil side, the cartridge side. This corresponds with the stapler's anvil and cartridge. The gel is used to create a temporary bond between the buttress and the surgical stapler jaws. The PSD gel, the PSD gel tip. The circulator opens the outer pouch, revealing the inner sterile pouch. The scrubbed person aseptically removes the inner pouch and places it in the sterile field. Inspect the pouch. Do not use if the pouch is damaged or if the seals are not intact. Open the inner pouch and remove the loading unit by using aseptic techniques. Inspect the gel pouch. Do not use if the pouch is damaged or if the seals are not intact. The circulator opens the gel pouch. The scrubbed person aseptically removes the gel tube and places it in the sterile field. Break off the metal tip of the gel tube. Attach the plastic gel tip to the gel tube by pushing it down over the top of the gel tube. Apply a continuous, thin gel bead onto each buttress strip. Do not get the buttress wet before applying gel, or the buttress may not adhere to the stapler properly. Ensure that the jaws of the stapler are clean and dry before inserting the loading unit. Position the open stapler onto the stapler loading unit. Close the stapler. Remove the plastic sheath, leaving the foam spacer between the stapler jaws. Discard the plastic sheath and remove any excess gel from the stapler. Just prior to using the stapler, open the stapler and remove the foam spacer. Visually inspect each buttress strip to ensure they are on the stapler jaws and cover the staple line.